Let me show you how to solve this logarithmic equation that we have on the board. Here we are asked to find the value of x in 2 log 3 base x multiplied by log 3 base 3x equals to log 3 base 9 root x. Now, focus on the left-hand side of the equation first. At the left-hand side of this equation, we have 2 log 3 base x multiplied by log 3 base 3x. You cannot operate this logarithm. Hello? You cannot operate this logarithm unless you do something to this base. Are you getting it? So we have to use the change of base formula. So here we are going to have 2. The base that we're going to use will be 3. So I'm going to have 2 log 3 base 3 divided by log x base 3 multiplied by log 3 base 3 divided by log 3x base 3. Are you following? Also, if you look at the right hand side of the equation, we have log 3 base 9 root x. Now, we are still going to apply the change of base formula at the right hand side of the equation. So, the base that we are going to be using now will be 3. Okay? So, I'm going to have log 3 base 3 divided by log 9 root x base 3. Okay? Now, do not forget that the log of a number to the same base is 1. So that means log 3 base 3 will give us 1. So we are going to have 2 multiplied by 1 over log x base 3 multiplied by 1 over log 3x base 3 equals to 1 divided by log 9 root x base 3. Are you following? Okay. The next step is that, do you know that if you have log AB base C, this can be written as log A base C plus log B base C, right? So we're having log 3x base 3. This can be written as log 3 base 3 plus log x base 3. So the logarithmic equation becomes 2 over log x base 3 multiplied by 1 divided by, instead of log 3x base 3, I'm going to have log 3 base 3 plus log x base 3. And do not forget that log 3 base 3 is what? 1. So we are going to have 1 plus log x base 3. Do you understand? Okay, so here I'm going to have, this will be equals to, now look at this also, we are having 1 divided by log 9 root x base 3. Log 9 root x can be written as log 9 base 3 plus log root x base 3. Do you understand? So we're going to have at the left hand side 2 divided by log x base 3 multiplied by 1 plus log x base 3. This will be equals to 1 divided by, now log 9 base 3. Do you know that 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 2? Please pay attention. Okay, let me put it here. 9 is equals to 3 raised to the power of 2. So if you replace 9 as 3 raised to the power of 2, you are going to have log 3 raised to the power of 2 base 3 plus, now root x can be written as x raised to the power of half. So I'm going to have plus log x raised to the power of half base 3. Are you following? Okay. From this point, we're going to have log x base 3 multiplied by 1 plus log x base 3. This will be equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by log 3 base 3. Because this 2 is here, it is going to multiply the log. So we're going to have 2 times log 3 base 3. And log 3 base 3 is what? 1. So I'm going to have 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is 2. So I'm going to have 2 plus. Now, because half is the power of x, And the log of a power is the product of the power and the log. So I'm going to have 1 over 2 log x base 3. Are you following? Simple, just pay attention. Now, the next step is that we're going to cross multiply. We're going to have 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 over 2 log x base 3. This will be equals to 1 will multiply what we have here. So I'm going to have log x base 3 multiplied by 1 plus log x base 3. Do you understand? Okay. 2 times 2 is 4. So I'm going to have 4 plus 2 times 1. That is 2, right? 2 divided by 2, that is what? 1. So I'm going to have 4 plus log x base 3 equals to log x base 3 times 1. That is log x base 3. Log x base 3 multiplied by log x base 3. That is positive log x base 3 squared. Okay? Now, the next step is that this can eliminate this, right? Because if you take this to the other side, it will change to what? Negative. So we are left with what? Log x base 3 raised to the power of 2 equals to what? 4. Now, to get the value of x, the first step is that we have to take the square root of both sides. So the square root of 4 will give me plus or minus 2, right? Now, if you want to get the value of x, what are you going to do? You just have to change this to index form. If you have log y base x equals to b, this is in logarithmic form. In index form, it can be written as y equals to x raised to the power of b. Do you understand? So here, x will be equals to 3 raised to the power of positive or negative 2. Let's first analyze the positive part of 2. I'm going to have x equals to 3 raised to the power of 2, which is what? 9. Now, when x equals to 3 raised to the power of negative 2, we're going to have x equals to 1 over 9. So the two values of x are x equals to 9 or 1 over 9. You can see that the question is simple. Yes, it is. All you have to do is just pay attention, understand the laws of logarithm and its application, then you are good to go. Okay, so before you go, please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel.